The brand new Children's Watch 5X series smartwatches from Huawei have been launched, and these are the wearables that were created exclusively with kids in mind. The watch you are looking at on the screen is the Pro model, which features a special detachable design that lets users swap between a color OLED display and a vintage black and white segment code screen, similar to what we used to see on standard digital watches for kids in years past. One more thing that is special here is when you flip it to the black and white screen, the watch itself switches to the do not disturb mode, which allows children to focus on their studies without being interrupted. From one side, it appears to be a simple, inexpensive digital watch that could cost between $1 to $2, but it also has a pricey side that raises the price up to $200. The watch has cameras on both the sides. The main one is an 8 megapixel sensor and the other is a 5 megapixel. The front and rear cameras not only enables video calls or take selfies easily, but also can scan codes to pay, translate, and intelligently identify objects. Apart from that, it also has fast charging, a good battery life, and a waterproof certification. Anyways, in terms of security, the Children's Watch 5X Pro supports indoor high precision positioning in over 8,000 shopping malls, airports, and other locations. Now currently these are the informations about China, not about the other countries. So besides tracking your child outside, you can track your child even in highly crowded indoor places. It can even rely on surrounding Huawei smartphones to assist with positioning when the watch is turned offline or without a network connection, ensuring that children are always safe. Parents can also draw safe areas and danger areas by hand on the map, and once the child enters a dangerous area, parents will receive a reminder. It has various apps including Huawei Education Center, which includes things like encyclopedia and all. It also has payment and messaging apps, and it also allows kids to become friends on these platforms by just shaking their hands nearby. In addition, using the Huawei Smart Care app, as a parent you can also reject unimportant calls, friend requests, or restrict the permission to install certain apps for your child. So that being said, that's it for this video. Let me know what are your views about this Huawei children's smartwatch, and I think this is one of the most innovating smartwatches for the kids at the moment. Let me know your opinions in the comment section below. Subscribe the channel if you like the content, and make sure to hit the like button to keep us going through. And as always, keep watching and keep smiling.